Minced beef pie is one of my favorite meat pie recipes. It's very easy to make and then very delicious as well. So if you want to know how this is made, please sit back, relax, and then enjoy. Thank you. So I'll start by adding 2.5 cups of flour, which is about 400 grams of flour. And I'll add 1 tablespoon of nutmeg and I'll mix it all up together. Afterwards, I'll add a pinch of salt and I'll add 1 1/3 cup of margarine, which is also about 300 grams of margarine. And I'll gently mix it all up together with the tip of my fingers. So I welcome you all back to my channel once again. I hope you are enjoying the video. This is the outcome of the flour after mixing. I'll add 1 egg and I'll mix it all up again with the tip of my finger, of course. And I'll gently start forming a dough. Your hands will be sticky when forming the dough, but not to worry since you're on the right path. Our dough is formed, so I'll wrap it up with a cling film and I'll store it in the fridge for roughly 15 minutes and I'll start with my filling. So stay tuned and continue watching. Filling, I'll start by adding my beef mince into the pan. I'm not adding oil to this recipe because I'm making it the healthy way and there's too much fat anyway, so you don't need it. I'll then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic mix and then I'll stir. And I'll add my preferred seasoning. You can use any seasoning of choice, that's okay. And I'm frying this on medium heat. So I'll then proceed to add 1 tablespoon of powdered pepper and I'll stir. I mixed cornstarch with water to help thicken this a bit. So yeah, as you can see in the video, I'm stirring it. And I'll add my diced onion. At this stage, you can add any preferred vegetable of choice, that's okay. And we're done. So now let's start with the pie. I'll add some flour onto the surface, add the dough and cut into 2. I'll roll it up and cut to my preferred shape and size. So I added flour on the surface so it doesn't stick. When I'm done cutting to my preferred shape, I'll add the filling and I'll brush the ends with some water or egg wash and I'll seal it nicely with my hand. But you can also use a fork, that's fine. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate it. I also want to thank my new subscribers for watching this video. You can join the family by subscribing and hitting on the notification button so you don't miss any videos from me. So I'll create some holes on top of the pie using my fork. Afterwards, I'll brush it up with some egg and milk wash. I'll preheat my oven and I'll bake for roughly 30 to 35 minutes at 150 degrees. Our pie is done after 30 minutes and just look at that. It's so soft and flaky. Thank you so much for taking time to watch to the very end. I truly appreciate it. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.